What's up guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to connect the ultrasonic sensor to the Raspberry Pi so that you can measure distance. We'll be using our 4 pins on the Raspberry Pi for this project. First, plug 4 of your female to male jumper wires into the pins on the ultrasonic sensor as follows. Let us plug in brown for VCC, and then let us plug in green for trig, and then let us plug in white for echo. After, let us plug in gray for ground. Step number 2 is to plug in VCC into the positive railway of your breadboard and then plug in ground to the negative railway of the breadboard. So I plugged in VCC to my positive railway, as you can see, and I plugged in ground to my negative railway. So the next step is to plug GPIO 5 volts pin number 2 into the positive rail, as well as pin number 6 into the negative rail. And as you can see, this is my pin number 2, and pin number 6 is just right here. I now have to plug in pin number 2 to the positive railway, where I've plugged in the ultrasonic sensor. As you can see, I plugged in pin number 2 to the positive railway and pin number 6 to the negative railway. And now the next step is to plug in trig into a blank rail and plug that rail into the GPIO 23, which is pin number 16. So you can plug it anywhere. So I just chose a random location and put my trig, which is the green female to male jumper wire. So now I'm plugging my female to male jumper wire to pin number 16 and plugging it in to the rail where I've plugged in trig. So the next step now is to plug in echo into a blank rail. So the next step after plugging in echo into a blank rail is to link another blank rail using a 1 kilo ohm resistor. After, we're supposed to link our 1 kilo ohm rail with the ground rail using the 2 kilo ohm resistor. make sure you leave a space between the 1 kilo ohm resistor and the 2 kilo ohm resistor. So the next step is to add GPIO 24 pin 18 to the rail with our 1 kilo ohm resistor. The GPIO pin needs to be in between the 1 kilo ohm resistor and the 2 kilo ohm resistor. So here is pin number 18. And as you can see, I'm putting it in between the 1 kilo ohm resistor and the 2 kilo ohm resistor. Now that we are done with the connection part, let's go ahead with the coding part. So if you put in this code as it is, you'll be able to measure distance in centimeters using the ultrasonic sensor. Now that we are done with the connection and also the coding part, let's see the values that we get from the ultrasonic sensor. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked the video. Feel free to subscribe, comment below, and give feedback.